Hello everyone, today is May the 19th, 2021. I recently updated my iPhone to the latest, not the latest, but the beta 14.6. Just to continue doing some tests on the smart card, just to make sure everything keeps working fine with no problems. So I just finished the update. iPhone XR 14.6, and this is the version 18F71. This is the beta test. 14.6. I just downloaded. I'm connected to Wi-Fi, and this iPhone, it is 14.6 XR, and this phone is SIM lock. There you go. This is the blah, 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 for the contact your provider for more info. So I'll close everything. Take the SIM card. Put in a Spectrum Mobile. Wait for the activation screen. Software has been completed. 14.6. Continue. And I'm just waiting for the SIM not supported. Okay, there's SIM not supported on iOS 14.6. Agree to that, agree. Okay, just hit continue. Just waiting for everything to be completed. I'm gonna take a second. Set up later. I don't need to do that. Continue. No SIM. Okay. So I'm gonna put this on the side. I'm gonna grab my smart card. Cut the micro SIM. And just make sure I'm on Wi-Fi. And I'm gonna put it in. In some cases, they might ask you to add an ICC ID number. Just hit the cancel. Some iPhones ask for it, some don't. So let's see if this asks for the ICC ID. Just waiting for the activation screen. I'm gonna use my passcode, device passcode, and I'm gonna use my passcode. Put it one more time. Remember, this is normal. It might ask you 2 to 3 times. See? One more time. Okay, guys. My iPhone has been successfully unlocked. I'm going back to about. See? There is the asking for the ICC input ICC ID. I'm just gonna hit cancel. I'm gonna close everything, go to settings, and this menu is gonna continue popping up until we remove the SIM card. If you go about, same 14.6, scroll down, carrier lock, no SIM restrictions. Okay, if you see the sign as input ICC, just hit cancel and continue. In my case, I'm done. Take this out, put them in a safe place because I might need it later. Put it in. My regular Spectrum card or SIM card. And it's picking up signal, but it doesn't mean anything. A Spectrum. And for the Spectrum Verizon, it takes a little while for the signal to be picked up. There you go. Test call real quick. I always do test calls.
Welcome to Spectrum Mobile.
There you go, guys. iOS 14.6. Smart card is still working fine, no problems. So there you go, guys. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye-bye.